Look in the mirror. You've counted every calorie, skipped desserts, ignored hunger, and pushed through cravings. You did everything right. So why do you feel stuck, exhausted, frustrated? Why does your weight come back the moment you stop dieting? The truth is, it's not your lack of willpower. It's not even your metabolism. It's a system that broke both. This is how diet culture silently sabotaged your body, and how to break free. We were raised in it. From glossy magazines to Instagram influencers, we've been bombarded with one message. You are not enough. But maybe, just maybe, if you lose a few pounds, you will be. Diet culture sells more than weight loss. It sells the idea that your worth is tied to your size, that thinner is always better, that eating is a moral choice. So we learn to fear food, to feel guilty for eating, to label foods as good or bad, and ourselves as disciplined or weak. Worse, we disconnect from our own signals. We stop trusting hunger. We ignore exhaustion. We push through, because discipline is seen as power. But that power is fake. And every restriction, every cleanse, every crash diet brings us closer to metabolic collapse. Diet culture didn't just change how you eat, it rewired how you think about yourself. And it convinced you that if a diet fails, it's your fault. But it's not. Let's get one thing straight. Eating less does not always equal weight loss. Your body isn't a math equation. It's a survival machine. When you eat below your basal metabolic rate, the minimum energy your body needs to function, your body starts adapting. It lowers thyroid hormones, slows digestion and heart rate, suppresses reproductive hormones, increases cortisol, burns less fat, and sometimes even burns muscle. This is called adaptive thermogenesis, your body's emergency mode. It thinks you're in danger, and when danger hits, it holds on to fat for protection. Then what happens when you give in and eat more? Your metabolism is still slow, but your calorie intake goes up. Your body stores more fat, faster. This is the classic yo-yo effect. Not only does it undo your results, it makes future fat loss even harder. Your body becomes less responsive, and your mind becomes more frustrated. This isn't a lack of discipline. It's biology doing exactly what it's supposed to do: protect you. Here's the good news. You're not broken, and it's not too late. Your body wants balance. It wants to feel safe again, and safety starts with enough food. Yes, enough. Because healing doesn't happen through starvation. It happens through nourishment. Here's how to begin. Eat to fuel, not to punish. Focus on protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Let go of extreme restriction. Lift weights. Resistance training builds muscle, and muscle is your metabolic engine. Sleep more, stress less. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which slows fat burning and increases cravings. Stop chasing perfection. A perfect diet doesn't exist. Consistency wins. Listen to your body. Hunger is not failure. Fullness is not guilt. Relearn your signals. This is how you reset your metabolism. Not by shrinking your plate, but by expanding your understanding of health. Let's be clear. You don't need another diet. You need a new mindset. If you've ever felt like your body is fighting you, it's not. It's protecting you. From a system that told you to fear food, fear fat, fear yourself. But now you know, and that changes everything. So let this be the last time you start over. Not because you've found the perfect diet, but because you've finally found peace.